Hello GS Pals and welcome to the tutorial for the spring activity, an exploration of the seasonal indicators in your local environment. Let's see how it works. Once you've entered the website, you will find the seasonal indicator spring activity under the pairs button or link in the website. By selecting this, you will be able to see the instructions which are located on the left-hand side of the page. The first step in the spring activity is to fill in the What is my biome activity form, which can be located by clicking on the green button on the left hand corner of the menu. Once there, please take the time to enter in information about your Globe School and your local environment, as much of that information will be used in the spring activity. The fields that will be important for the spring activity include preliminary background data, such as the name of school and where it is located, the biome in which the school resides, and how your local environment at your school compares to the classified biome, the natural seasonal weather patterns in your local area, the dominant vegetation in your local area, and what are the similarities and differences you observe as you travel throughout your state, province, or district. List those vegetation species you think are most likely to be affected by seasonal temperature or precipitation. And lastly, the considerations of could the indicator provide information about changes in important ecological and biogeochemical processes, or could the indicator tell you something about major environmental changes that may affect wide areas or regions? Once the What is my biome activity has been completed, you should then view your data as well as other GS Pals schools' data, compare them, and select a school with seasonal indicators you would like to compare with and begin to discuss. For example, a school from the Arctic region may want to compare data with a school from the Antarctic region, or the GS Pals could compare with completely different seasonal indicators or biomes, such as a GS Pal school with a desert environment and a GS Pal school with a rainforest environment. By selecting the Data button, you will have this opportunity to view the GS Pal biome and seasonal indicator data from each GS Pal school. Once the GS Pals schools have reviewed the data and chosen a school that they would like to compare with, begin communication with that school through the forum, chat, or video conference featuring to discuss the similarities and the differences of your seasonal indicators. The forum can be accessed by clicking on the blue and white forum button in the menu. All of the spring activity discussions will be grouped under the Pairs Spring Activity Forum. From there, it is up to the two schools to begin communication and comparison on their seasonal indicators. Begin the communication by starting a new topic in the Pairs Spring Activity Forum for you and the school you will be comparing seasonal indicators and data with. Once the window has opened, simply type the two school names and the subject that you would like to discuss in the subject bar, and then begin typing your first response. Or, if your partnering school has already posted a topic, you may reply to that topic by simply clicking on the link and posting your reply. The next step is, with the help of the alumni, to create the pair school profile and set up regular communication for the two schools that are comparing data and seasonal indicators. And as always, if you have any questions or would like ideas, you can always contact the Globe alumni or even the scientists that are assisting with the project. The two schools' pair profile can be found under the Pairs section. The profile includes the pair name, the school names, as well as the name and contact information of the assisting alumni, current tasks of the pair, as well as recent activity of the group, whether it was a forum discussion, video conference, or even a newly developed Pairs activity that they created. The final step of this spring activity is for the pair groups to exchange the information that the GS Pals have collected and posted and begin to formulate a collaborative research project. To enhance the spring activity and utilize current communication technologies, use the chat, forum, and video features on the website. To learn more about these features, please view the communication tutorial or contact your alumni representative. They're always willing to help. Thanks for viewing this tutorial and enjoy the spring activity on GS Pal.